If you struggle to organize your tasks, ideas, or daily work, this simple tool can completely change how you stay productive. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are a student, a remote worker, or someone who wants to stay organized, this video is for you. Let's get started. So, what exactly is Notion? Notion is an all-in-one productivity tool that helps you organize your work, your notes, your tasks, and your ideas in one place. Instead of using many different apps for notes, to-do lists, and planning, Notion combines everything into one single app. Many people struggle with staying organized. They use one app for notes, another app for tasks, and another one for planning. This can be confusing and stressful. Notion solves this problem by giving you one workspace where you can plan your day, write notes, manage projects, and store information easily. Notion is used by many different people, such as students for class notes and study plans, remote workers to manage daily tasks, small business owners to track projects, content creators to plan ideas, or anyone who wants to stay organized. Even beginners with no tech background can use Notion. Let's talk about the main features of Notion. I'll keep it simple. Feature 1. Notes. You can write notes just like a document. You can add headings, bullet points, and images. Feature 2. To-do lists. You can create simple to-do lists and check tasks when they are completed. Feature 3. Pages and databases. Notion allows you to create pages for different topics like work, school, or personal life. You can also use databases to track tasks, projects, or goals. Feature 4. Templates. Notion provides ready-made templates. For example, daily planners, study planners, habit trackers. You can use them without creating anything from scratch. One good thing about Notion is that it has a free plan. The free plan is enough for personal use, students, and beginners. There are paid plans for teams and businesses, but most beginners do not need to pay when starting. Here are the pros and cons. Pros: very flexible, all-in-one tool, clean and simple design, free plan available. Cons: can feel confusing at first, needs internet connection for full use, but with time and practice, it becomes easier. So, to summarize, Notion is a powerful productivity tool that helps you organize your life, work, and ideas in one place. If you are a beginner looking for a simple way to stay organized, Notion is definitely worth trying. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. This was a simple introduction to Notion. In my next video, I'll show you how to actually use it step by step for daily planning. Thank you for watching.